thought we would try and color in the flash with some markers to kind of give that gel effect without gels. I colored it in a bit more, but yeah. I'm gonna pull this thing on the front that says lift for continuous flash, so then it uses a flash like every time I take a picture. I got 6 of these babies for $3 at a yard sale, so yard sales are where it's at, if you know what I'm saying. It expired last year, so in 2017, I'm sure it's fine. So let's go take a picture. Hey Jasmine. Psst. Jasmine, look at me. Jasmine! That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, I think I might try maybe this again in the future just to see if, you know, I can actually do it on a roll that I'm not gonna fog, because that would be helpful, but I really don't think it did much of anything. Maybe I need to do a darker color, but I used a bright red marker, so I don't know. Next time I'm gonna try and put the marker on the lens itself and try it that way. That might be kind of cool. So yeah, hope you enjoyed regardless of my screwing up of fogging the film. I still like the pictures, the ones that turned out anyway, so yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye 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 bye.